In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Minecraft world from PlayStation 5 to PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a world that you have on a PlayStation 5 console to a PlayStation 4 console. Keep in mind that this process can also be applied for the opposite route, so from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. All that you have to do is first, on the PlayStation 5, go into the games, choose Minecraft, and go into the options and select upload or download saved data. You will have to upload the data to the cloud, and once you go to your PlayStation 4, you will be able to retrieve that data. So you upload it to the cloud, choose upload, you will see all of the worlds that you have, tick them from here. So once the option here to transfer this specific save data is ticked, you will be able to upload and proceed. Of course, you can take as many as you wish. So once you select the world that you wanted to upload and you finish this process, which can take up to some minutes, now it's time to go over to the PlayStation 4. Go into the settings and choose Application Saved Data Management. In here, you will be able to find plenty of options and you have to select Saved Data in Online Storage. Now download to System Storage and you will see all of the games that you can download data from, including Minecraft. So essentially, all that you have to do is upload the data from the PlayStation 5 to the cloud, and then from the cloud, you can retrieve that data, aka download, into your PlayStation 4. So it is simple to do, and all that you need is a PlayStation Plus subscription and use the cloud as an intermediary. So choose Minecraft from the list and you will be able to retrieve the world that you uploaded from the PlayStation 5. And like I said before, you can do the opposite route as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer a Minecraft world from PlayStation 5 to PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.